Hey guys, we're gonna have a look at Adobe Edge tools today, specifically Edge Code CC. I don't know why I downloaded this the other night. I think I was just having a little bit of a mess around, and I thought I'd have a play with it, and it's pretty good actually. So I'm going to show you a few of the things it does that I think are pretty cool, and see what you think. Normally I use Espresso, which is down here for kind of all my editing code and things like that. I know everybody in the world uses Sublime Text 2 at the moment. I don't. I just like Espresso. Um, anyway, let's get on to Adobe Edge Code CC. So it kind of looks a lot like any other code editing app. You got your list of files down the side, your active files up here. It is really lightweight, which is unusual for Adobe. Normally their products are really bloated. If you're familiar with Dreamweaver, it's just a horrible, clunky beast of an app that I only ever use when I've got a code nested tables, really. Other than that, I never touch it. It's just never got better. I don't know why they don't kind of put it out of its misery. Anyway, okay, so Edge Code. So a couple of things that I really like about it. So you got your HTML document here, and you click on your elements. So say I want to kind of look at this H2 element here. If I press Command E, I can open up the style sheet directly in the HTML document, make the edit, and save it. And then I've got an error. Okay, but I can't make a modification because this is just a demo file. But what you actually can do is you can totally edit your CSS document from within your HTML document. So if you think of the speed of that, just as you're kind of messing around with your HTML, Command D, you get your style. You can make a new rule for it, or you can edit the current one, and you back out. No jumping between documents, none of that anymore. Really fast way to kind of do things. So that's the first feature that I really like about it. I can see that being a massive time saver. Second one is live preview, which will probably ask me to restart Chrome. Let's have a look. I'm quite interested in this while it's doing that. We talk about this Edge suite of tools, because I feel like web tools at the moment are massively about to change. Photoshop, it's getting a lot of kind of competition against it these days. Apps like Sketch and things like that. Obviously, Fireworks is kind of dead now. It feels like people talk about designing the browser and things like that, but I feel like there's a gap for apps that actually allow you to kind of almost do this kind of design in the browser without just writing pure code. And why is this not working? Let's have a look. Let's try again. It's because I haven't clicked relaunch Chrome, so let's relaunch Chrome. Okay, so we're now looking at a preview of this HTML document. Just close my screen big enough to do this. It should be. Just zip this up a little bit. Okay, so we've got getting started with Adobe Edge Code CC here, which is here. And I'm going to edit this now. And you can see it's editing completely live, which is brilliant. Another great feature. I really like that. So you can just do that throughout with your CSS and with your, well, whatever really. Let's change that to red. So instant preview. Love it. Okay, finally, I've not done everything with this app yet. It's pretty new to me as well. If you know of the open source editor Brackets, this is basically that. But Adobe have kind of chucked on a few more features, a few of their own things. I think it's integration with Typekit and things like that. One more thing that I've only just spotted a minute ago is images. So in this HTML doc, we've got this image. This is our folder of images. So here you get a preview of the image, but this is pretty cool. You get the crosshairs. So if you're using this as a background image or something like that, and you need to position it somewhere, you can just pull the X and Y coordinates right from here. So just as you mouse around, it updates them. So that's really cool. So that's pretty much it for this one, but take a look at it because I think it's got some really cool features. If you don't use this, I think these features may make it into other apps, or kind of the things you use, or maybe you will end up using this. I think it's promising. It's got a lot of prospects, this one. So that's it for this one. So thanks for watching and goodbye.